How to bet on live games with Hard Rock Bets in-game betting, guidance on placing bets during live events. Now, this video is just made for informational purposes only. Now, what you want to do is if you want to bet on live games with Hard Rock Bets in-game betting, you must actually follow the steps. First, log into your account on app.hardrock.bet. Then you must just click the login button from the top right. Now you can navigate to the live or the in-game section of the sportsbook, but if you're not finding it, it just means that currently there are no live games happening. But if there is any live games happening, you'll see a live section right here. After that, you can simply select the game that you wish to bet on and choose the bet type that you wish to place. Now after that, you can enter your wager amount and confirm your bet. Now remember that in-game betting odds can change rapidly, so it's essential to act quickly when placing your bets. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.